You have said the Jim Gavin debacle that you accept full responsibility for it. What does that mean?
Fundamentally, I did recommend that. I'm not responsible for everything that unfolded, obviously, because we would have been totally unaware of the issue, despite very comprehensive due diligence.
You say that you didn't know and you were ambushed, but according to The Independent, they made an inquiry on the 8th of September, which is the day before your selection. They made an inquiry about Jim Gavin having a landlord and tenant issue. So could nobody have shouted halt?
Are you aware of, was the type of question.
Yeah, are you aware that he has?
And the answer was no, we're not. And the person said...
No red flag there?
Well, sorry, they immediately went to the candidate.
Yeah.
And said, no, absolutely not. The minute you heard someone was landlord, the question was asked, were there any issues in terms of tenants? And the answer was no. I mean, I feel very sorry for him.
I think everybody does. I mean, because, it's been, he has done the state some service.
He has, and it's been very traumatic for him, and it was very traumatic on Sunday evening. Because this is a man who's achieved a lot. And like all the people I spoke to about Jim Gavin before he's nominated were very highly, they commended him very highly about his character.
The final question has got to be about the threat from within your own parliamentary party to your leadership. I mean, you want to lead your party into the next election. Do you think that's less likely now after the events of last week?
I was elected, like in the last general election, as leader of Fianna Fáil, to the largest party. I think that said something in terms of where the public were, in terms of who they wanted to be Taoiseach. And I'm going to fulfil that mandate. And also, I was appointed, obviously, by the Dáil. You have to get a Dáil majority to be Taoiseach, and that happened. And, in terms of the stewardship of government, in terms of...
but do you feel vulnerable?
I think there's clearly, look, I understand fully why people are angry. I mean, we had a presidential candidate. No, we don't. It's devastating for members of the party out the grassroots. It's devastating for TDs. I understand that. That creates a pressure. I have to rise to it.